In this video, we're going to think about how energy shifts as a skateboarder goes down a ramp by using a little simulation about somebody skateboarding with different shaped ramps. And I want you to think about how does the energy shift as the skateboarder goes down the ramp. So you'll need to open up the skate park simulation. The easiest way to find this would be to do a Google search for PHET, P-H-E-T, and skate park, and then you should easily find the link to it, which I can show you on this. And once you've done that, you'll need to choose intro. Once you're on intro, then you need to choose this shaped ramp by clicking on that. You need to choose bar graph over here, which will give you a bar graph of the energy, and then you need to click on the person and drag them to the top of the ramp, and then when you are ready you can release them. And I want you to look at what happens to the energy and how it moves between the different energy stores here. You may also like to change it onto slow motion, which makes the simulator run slower. But you've got a choice. You can swap between the slow motion and the normal. So pause the video now and go and have a go with that simulation. Remember, you were going to do intro, then this shaped ramp, turn the bar graph on, and perhaps choose slow motion, and then drag the skateboarder to the top of the ramp and release. So in that simulation, think about which store did the energy start when the skateboarder was at the top of the ramp, and in which store does the energy end when the skateboarder reaches the bottom of the ramp. Hopefully you have realized it starts in the gravitational potential energy of the skateboarder and finishes in the kinetic energy of the skateboarder. If you didn't notice that, then it might be a good idea to go back to the simulation and try that again. Hopefully you also noticed that the total energy of the skateboarder remained constant throughout.